What
But
about
who do you
Indians?
think
should
would
they
be most
watching
dangerous
for?
from their perspective?
One question at a time.
No, I'm saying from the perspective of the Indian team, whom do you think Pakistan would think would be the most dangerous batsman?
It's got to be Sehwag because the way he plays, Sachin Tendulkar because he can stay there and pace the innings. Then you've got Yuvraj who's been in great form. So I wouldn't be doing justice to Indian batting lineup if I say Pakistan only fared Sehwag or Saurav Ganguly, yes, but the other batsmen. The entire batting lineup is absolutely
But
fantastic.
that's a big change, Dada, from years gone by.
It's a terrific batting lineup, Rahul, and I understandably agree with Ramesh that it's very difficult to pick anybody out. That's why I'm saying Pakistan's batting will be so important. If they want to beat India, they have to get 280. Anything less than that, they're a fantastic bowling side, but this team on flat wickets will be hard to beat.
Okay, I would not want that to happen. But just in case our openers fail, should Dhoni come to the number 3 spot then?
No, I think
No?
Gautam Gambhir is fantastic. I've said it time and again. There has been issues in this World Cup. I don't know why people talking about his position. And he saw his importance against the game against Australia. On a difficult wicket, it was not an easy surface. Sehwag got out early and he came and batted and got a very useful 50. Obviously, hope he doesn't get the run out the way he did in the last game. He could have been out 3 times in 3 balls. But he's a class act, and I think he's that kind of a player who you need at number 3 because the rest are all shot makers. You've got Sehwag who's going to swing. You've got Sachin who will be solid. You've got Yuvraj Singh who will play his shots. You've got Raina who's going to play his shots. So the importance of Gautam Gambhir is enormous in this batting lineup.
Okay, Avantika, just a quick note for our viewers. That question came from Gautam, and this is part of the Ask Dada contest that we've been running on Headlines today. And Gautam, you've just won yourself a bat signed by Saurav Ganguly. So congratulations. Let's get that girl over there to ask the question.
My question is for both of you. Fielding being a very important part of cricket, you've seen both the teams perform in fielding. Which do you think is better and will be better tomorrow?
Both Dada and Ganguly looking at each other.
Well, you see, they're pretty even, Stevens. I wouldn't say that, Pakistan has certainly become a South African unit or India has become a New Zealand side, It's a decent fielding side. I'm talking about Pakistan, Couple of youngsters have sort of created that little bit of extra eyeballs or created that environment that fielding is a good habit, that you can achieve something by fielding well. I'm talking of Umar Akmal, I'm talking of few others. Asad Shafiq is pretty decent. But, all they have to do is to do the basics well. Catch the ball in the air, not be acrobatic, not go for heroics. Just do the basics well, field the ball, because I think that is what they can do easily. But ask them to be athletic, I think both India and Pakistan
But let me
are not
invert
athletic.
the question that we asked you about the Indian team. If you were to look at the Pakistani team from an Indian perspective, who would, like Imran Khan said earlier, I expect Inzamam ul Haq to go out and do the job for me in 1992. Who's the Inzamam ul Haq in this team?
No one. I mean, that's a big worry because you see, if had Inzi been there, I could have easily made Pakistan the favorites to win tomorrow. But our batting has not entirely clicked. But in a way, they've helped each other. They play sensibly now. I think the out cricket has improved. And by out cricket, I mean reading of situations, executing a plan properly, and Misbah and Yunus Khan will once again will be the key in the middle order. But that impetus, that excitement will be provided by somebody like Umar Akmal, who I think has got tremendous talent. But at times, he doesn't mix talent with method.